Oh my god, I'm done, but it's raining. Oh, that was fast. So, right now, I am leaving. I am here at the Philippine Consulate General, Honolulu. I'm done, guys. It's so fast. I don't have any problem. Hi everyone! Welcome to Mina's Day Vlogs once again. For today's video guys, I'd like to share how I renew my Philippine passport here in Oahu, Hawaii. So the first step, make an appointment online. Go to www.passport.gov.ph and then click Schedule an Appointment. So from there, you have to read the instructions carefully and then check the box below. And then next is you have to select whether you want to start individual appointment or group appointment. So for me, since I am the only one renewing, I click Start Individual Appointment. Now we go to step 2. You have to select the region. So Hawaii is under North America, and for the country, it's USA or United States of America. For the site, you have to look for PCG Honolulu, also known as the Philippine Consulate General Honolulu. After completing that, you have to select now the date and time you want for your appointment. So the available date and time slots will be displayed on the screen of your phone or computer. Next is step 3, which is the filling out of the application form. This one is very easy. It says there you have to complete within 30 minutes. But for me, I guess I completed that in 20 minutes. Main thing is you put the correct entries or your infos, just like your mobile number, and then of course your full name, your gender, your civil status, your country of birth, and then your father's name. For the mother's name, it should be the maiden name. What else? You need to put your US address together with zip code. Important thing, you have to have a Gmail or email. Why? Because they will be sending the confirmation notice and your application packet in there. And then when you are filling out your application form, make sure that you have with you your old passport, because you will be needing the passport date of issue and then the passport number. Just a reminder guys, before clicking the submit button, review again the entries that you put in your application form. After doing that, let's go to step 4, which is confirm the online appointment. So first email, you will receive a notification that you submitted your application form. So it says there you have to click the link below, and you are given 1 hour to do that. After clicking the link, you will be receiving your second email, which is now the confirmation of your appointment plus the application packet. So after that, let's go to step 5, which is print the application notice and application packet. In printing, just make sure that you have the barcode at the top right of the form, because that is also important. And that's it guys. It's very easy. So reminder, bring the application packet and your appointment notice when you go to PCG during your appointment date and time, together of course with the other requirements. And what are the other requirements? First, you need a photocopy of the front page of your passport, and also bring your original old passport. Number two, you need a photocopy and the original of any valid ID, just like your government issued IDs, your driver's license, or your green card ID. And for me, I use my green card ID. Number three, you will be needing a USPS priority mail envelope with tracking number and stamps worth $9.90. So for the priority mail envelope, get that at US Post Office. Number four, you will be needing $60. You will pay at the PCG Honolulu, $60 cash or debit card. Just a quick reminder, guys, that you need to go there in the site early, maybe 10 minutes before your scheduled time. And then wear proper attire for both men and women with collar and sleeves. So that's it. It's very easy. I'm done with the requirements. So now I am going PCG Honolulu. Today is August 12, 2024. I see you when I finish renewing my Philippine passport. And after a few minutes of driving or travel, we are here. We arrive at the site very early even though it's raining. So first, I approached the receptionist and she got my name. After that, I went to a designated waiting area, and at 8:57 a.m. I received the first text message. So guys, always be attentive to your phone because they will give you instructions. They are very organized. And no need to worry because the attending officers in there are very friendly and approachable. They will tell you what to do. Okay guys, so I am here at the Philippine Consulate General and I'm already done renewing my Philippine passport. And this is our national hero. We have here Dr. Jose Rizal. And you get the Philippine flag in there. So I am here. I'm done. I did my passporting renewal and it's very, very easy. Besides, I prepared all the requirements. So I don't have any problem. Yay, so we're going home now. The Philippine Consulate General. Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm glad I'm done renewing my Philippine passport. It's very easy and fast because I have all the requirements. So now I will just be waiting for my renewed Philippine passport. By then, I will see you. Okay guys, so I'm back. And guess what? I received today my renewed new Philippine passport. So today is September 6, 2024. To reiterate guys, I went PCG Honolulu to renew my Philippine passport August 12, 2024. So that is around 4 weeks to wait. So let's see. Oh, this is my new renewed Philippine passport. And this is the old one. Oh, it's time to travel. So first destination, well, let's go Philippines, right? And mahalo again for watching guys. For those who are still new to my channel, please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. So, I see you next video. Bye!